Okay. A lot of you were asking me where I got my amazing Jason Corona mask. Well, it comes from the legend himself, Tom Savini, special effects makeup artist. And if you get one, he'll send you his own card here, which was super cool too. But if you're interested in buying one, you'll want to DM not his personal Instagram account, but Baking Jason. I'll put a link down in the description. And also you can ask and he'll hand sign it for you too. So I think that was pretty cool. I didn't get a signature on mine because I've got him, he signed my Fangoria magazine right here. But that's not my first Jason Corona mask. I actually made my own Jason mask, Jason from Friday the 13th Part 2. That's the one where he just wore like burlap over his head. I made mine out of canvas and it's pretty awesome. I mean, I never go to an ATM, but I wanted to go up to an ATM and just make a withdrawal just for the sake that I could be on the camera, because probably when else are you gonna be able to wear a mask, you know, going into a bank or whatever. I even had somebody ask if they could take my picture wearing that. And if I want to make a complete woodworking statement, I've got a couple of different get-ups I can wear outside. And sometimes I just feel like going full ninja. Hey, why not take advantage of this time? Every day can be Halloween. Okay, I need to make a new hurdle for the cats today. Now this hurdle I made before works really well, but Bubbles can't seem to make it beyond level 5. This is her limit so far. She'll jump, but the problem is when I go higher, she just insists on going under the hurdle. So I think that just a solid piece would be better. And another thing is when she goes under the hurdle, her tail is up and just the slightest little touch on this and the whole thing just topples over, and then it just becomes a real pain to set that up. So I guess during the engineering phase of this project, I probably could have considered making a bigger base on each of these. That might have helped. But I don't want to get my engineers started on that just yet, because I think if I can get her trained on a solid hurdle, maybe then I can advance back to this one and then raising it up higher. I don't know, a lot of this has to do with Bubbles' mood and whether or not I can even source the funds for such a project. Let me show you what I've come up with. Let's go to the whiteboard. What I want to do is make a barrier that the cat jumps over, and I think what it's going to need is a base. The only thing I need to do now is decide whether I want to cut this out on my laser cutter or my plasma cutter. And I haven't decided yet, but let me know if you're interested in making one of these on your own. I'll probably be coming up with a full set of comprehensive plans in SketchUp, maybe even Fusion 360. Might be a good project to pour out of resin too. Practice? Okay. Come over here. What do you see? There's nothing there. Up. No. Back here. Okay. Up. Good girl. Up. Stand. Come on. Higher. Higher. Good boy. Jump. Jump. No. Jump. No. Jump. Jump. Good girl. go back here. All right, ready? Jump. Kitty. Come here. Come here. Jump. Jump over. Good girl. It's a work in progress. So what have we learned here today? Well, I think that in the future, psychologists will identify a new form of psychosis that is characterized by pet owners repeatedly trying to train cats to do tricks. Or, to paraphrase Stan Laurel, you can lead a cat to water, but a pencil must be lead. See you guys later.